Alright, what we're going to do is I'm doing a video so you guys can refer back to it on how I want you to tape an ankle. So we got the pre-wrap on him now. First thing we're going to do, we're going to remember that rule of threes. So everything goes in threes. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put 3 anchors. Alright, so I got my 3 anchors. The next thing I'm going to do is put 1 stirrup, followed up by 1 horseshoe. Second stirrup, horseshoe. Third stirrup, horseshoe. Alright, so that's our 3. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to just tack this down, make sure that doesn't come off, and make sure we don't have any holes in it. Alright, so we're there. No holes up to that point. Next thing we're going to do is right here at the ankle, we're going to make sure that they're up so they don't end up too tight. Start at a 45-degree angle. We're going to do a heel walk. We're going to come here. We're going to go across the foot, around the back of the heel, and then stick it down. Alright. Then we're going to come to the outside, start at a 45-degree angle, come across the top of the foot, around the back of the heel, and then stick it down. Then the last one, same thing, 45 degrees, round back of the heel, and stick it down. So that's our 3 heel walks. Then the last thing that we're going to do is put these loose pieces down here. We want to make sure that we don't wrap straight around. We want to stay in a teardrop shape. We want to kind of go out like that. We don't want to wrap it straight around their foot, because then when they put foot pressure on their foot can't expand. And then we'll put 1 more, tear it. Then the last thing that we do is we mold the tape. We stick that tape together, because if you don't stick that tape together, they'll be running down the court, a piece of the tape will be falling off, and you'll look like a fool. Check to make sure there's no holes, and that ankle's taped.